Good morning, students. In last class, we are discussing about the BR tag and the P tag. P stands for your paragraph text. Today, we are discussing about the text formatting tags, and so many text formatting tags are there. For example, your B tag, I tag, SUB, SUP, strong. So many formatting tags are there. Formatting tag means to change the appearance of your text, to change the formatting of your text, to change the color, size, style of your text. So first we are discussing about the font tag. What do you mean by the font tag? Font tag is used to change the font size, font color and font languages, typeface. You can say face to change the face of web document, to change the face of text. The font tag is used to change the typeface. What do you mean by the typeface? You can use so many times faces. For example, Arial, Times New Roman, Thoma, Hindi, Kundli. So many fonts are there, and these fonts are called typeface. This is the attribute of your font tag, and the name of attribute here is only face. And the next is you can change the size of your text, and you can also change the text of your web document color. So to change the font faces, to change the size and to change the color of your web document, you can use the font tag. And the font tag, the smallest size is 1 and the biggest size is 7. So in between 1 to 7 you can change the size of your text. Font tag is your containers tag, so need to start and need to close it also. It is not an empty tag. In last class we are discussing about the BR tag. BR tag is your empty tag, but font tag is your container tag. You can start it and as well as you can close this tag. So many attributes of font tags are there, but basically three attributes of font tags are there. One is your face, second is your color, and third one is your size. So first we are discussing about the face. What do you mean by the face here? This attribute is used in the font tag to change the typefaces of the text enclosed in this tag. So here you can change the font faces. Here you can change the style of your text. Here you can change the language. For example, Kundli, Hindi, and Arial, Times New Roman, Thoma. So many languages are there. And if you want to change the font of your text, then you can use the face here. The value of this attribute is font name enclosed in the double quote. Always the face value you can close between the inverted commas between the double quotes. The two or more font names are separated by comma. In one single tag, you can add more than two faces. For example, one you can add the Arial and second one you can add the Courier New. Then you can use the comma between the two faces also. The syntax of this face attribute of font tag is font, then give one space between the tag and attribute. Always give one space between the tag and attribute is equal to font name. Font name is a value of your font. Then you can write down any content, any text, any paragraph, and then close the font tag. For example, font face is equal to Arial, then write down your content, then font close. And next is your font face is equal to Arial. Here you we can add the two faces of your text, two faces of in HTML document, and then write down the text and then font close. The next attribute of this font tag is your color. Color is simply used to change the color of your text. This attribute is used in the font tag to change the font color of the text enclosed in this tag. In this tag, you can write any color name and your text will be changed the color of your text. The color can be specified in the form of color value. You can add the color name also, and you can also write down the code of your color also. And code in last class we had already discussed about the color code. Hexadecimal codes are there, so you can write down the color code, and you can otherwise you can write down the color name here. For example, font color is equal to color value. And what do you mean by the color value? Your color name or color code, and then write down the content or text, and then your font close. Same, for example, font color is equal to blue, so your text uh, will be changed in blue color, and then you can close the font tag. Your next attribute of font tag is your size. This attribute is used in the font tag to define the size of the text enclosed in this tag. If you want to change the size of your text, if you want to change the size of your paragraph, if you want to change the content size of your uh, then you can use the size attribute. The value of this attribute can be in range of 1 to 7. The minimum size is 1 and the biggest and the largest size is your 7. And the default size of font is, the default size of your text in HTML is 3. But if you want to increase, then you can increase up to 7, and if you want to decrease, then you can use the minimum 1. The value less than 3 reduce the font size, and the value more than 3 increase the font size, and the by default size is your 3. For example, font size is equal to value, and here value means your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then write down the content, and then you can close the font tag. Here no need to close the value between the quotes. You can write directly, or otherwise you can write between the quotes also. So write down font size is equal to 5. This 5 you can write between the quotes, otherwise simple you can also write here. Then write down the text, and then you can close the font tag here. Most important point of size attribute in font tag, we can also define the attributes values plus and minus. What do you mean by the plus and minus? Plus means increase the size of text, and minus means decrease the size of text. And the by default size of text is your 3. If you can put plus 2, then your size will be increases 2 point. For example, by default your size is 3, and if we write down plus 2, then your size is 5. And for example, if you write down plus 4, your by default size is 3. 3 plus 4 7, so your size is 7. And if you use the minus sign, for example you put the minus 2, then your by default size is 3, and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, so your size is 1. For example, font size is equal to plus, and then write down the content, paragraph, text, and then you can close the font tag. Will change the size of enclosed text. What the meaning of this plus 2? Plus 2 change the size of the text, increase it by 2 size from the current font size, and the current font size is your 3. The by default size is your 3. So let's do the practical of this font tag. So let's do the practical of this font tag. We have already opened our last web document. Your HTML head, title close. We have already discussed all these things. After that, here, for example, we want this line. Here is the first paragraph of text. We want to put here font. The name of the tag is your font. Then write down the attribute name. For example, color is our attribute name. Here we can write down the color is equal to, for example, we want this line color is green. Then write down green here, inverted comma close, and then this close. After that, for example, we only want this line, then you can close the font tag here. And we want a second, here is the second paragraph of text. We want this color is blue, then you can again you can write down the font tag here, then write down again color is equal to, for example, your color name is blue, then write down your blue, then you can close the angle bracket, and after that you can close the font tag, because font tag is your containers tag, so need to close it. Again save here and minimize the notepad. After minimizing the notepad, you can again open the web browser, and so we open here the web browser here, and again you can refresh here, so you can see the first line in green color and the second line in your blue color. So let's start the next attribute. Minimize the web browser. Again open your notepad here, and when you open the notepad, again open notepad here. For example, now we want the size of this paragraph is, for example, 5. Then give one space between the two attributes, because font tag have three attributes: color, size and face. And here color we have already put here. So now for example we want two attributes of font tag in a single line: color green, and we want size is 5. Then you can write down size attribute here, and then is equal to, and write down the 5. And again save it, control plus and minimize this and after minimizing you can again open your web browser here and refresh it. So you can see the difference between the first line and the second line. Clear everyone? Now our next attribute is face attribute. We can also implement it. Again open your notepad here, and when you open notepad, for example we want the thirsty crow, this face we want to change it. So write down font face is equal to Arial, and we also want the color. Then write down color. Don't write down the spelling color, just write down color is equal to, for example we write here red. For example you can write here red, then close the angle bracket, and after that you can close the font tag. We change the size also. So let's start. We also want to change the size, then give one space again, then write down the size is equal to, for example we want size is 7, then write down the 7. And what do we mean by the faces? You can see here format, font, and these all are your faces. For example, Bell MT, Arial, Arial Black, Times New Roman, Book Antiqua, Copper. These all are your faces. Font faces means your styles, your languages, we would say. So let's do the font face change of our text, and then you can click OK. And for example we want here is our first paragraph. This line we want in copper face, then you can use here font color is equal to green, size is equal to 5. After that write down face is equal to, and between inverted comma you can write down copper. Write down copper here, then inverted comma close. So again save your text document here, your source code here, minimize it, and again you can open your web browser here and refresh it again. And when you refresh here you can see the changes here. This is your copper and this is your simple Arial face here. So let's start the next tag, and the next tag is our B tag, I tag and U tag. Your next formatting tag is your B. B stands for bold tag, I stand for italic tag, and U stand for underline tag. These all are your formatting tag. So many formatting tags are there. For example, your font tag B, I, U, SUP, SUB, center. These all are your formatting tag. So now we are discussing about the B tag. The name of the tag is B, and it is the use of this B tag is to bold the text, to give the extra weight to the text. This text formatting tag is used to add extra weight in existing text enclosed by the container tag. So B is also your container tag, I is also contain, and U is also your container tag. your B, I, U, SUB, SUP, font, these all are your container tag. Only your BR, HR, and LI, these are your MPT tag. So B tag is your container tag, and it is used to give the extra weight to the text. It is used to bold the text, and it is used to uh, strong the text, give the importance. If you want to give the importance to your text, then you can use the B tag just before this text, and after that you can close the B tag. Has no attribute. The most important part is BIU. These three tags have no attribute, and it simply changes the text to bold typeface, which help in highlighting important contents of the document. For example, B, then write down the text or content, and then you can close the B tag. So we do the practical in the next video, and thank you everyone.